Restoration of Beit Midrash Morasha Synagogue in Arthur's Road by Metropolis. The Beit Midrash Morasha Synagogue was severely damaged by fire in 2018. From the loss of collective memory, the work of rebuilding has evolved through focused community engagement to bridge the divide between faithful reconstruction and a significant aesthetic and functional shift. The primary move to de-emphasize the cruciform plan of the original 1925 Dutch Reformed Church by inserting an octagonal roof introduces more specific Jewish symbolism into the synagogue. The strategy of preserving and maintaining the original exterior and interior envelopes and period details, whilst adding new isolated contemporary design elements, engage in a spatial discourse with the remaining original fabric and has resulted in an excellent example of conservation and recycling. The architects have negotiated and embraced the combined challenges of fulfilling the Jewish regulatory requirements, a community's affection for the original building, and a reassessment of the building's functionality, and more secular controls of heritage committees and municipal restrictions.